What is going on, guys, and welcome back. Today we are going to be tearing down the engine for Chewie that we took out in the last video. Find out if there's anything wrong with it, if anything we want to use, and most importantly if there's any crank walk, because that's kind of the point we were thinking there might be a problem, especially with how that flex plate had doubled up on itself in the back. That just looked like bad news all around. With mittens, I'm waiting to swap anything right now because we need a turbo. I was going to use the 1.5 XTR off of Chewie on mittens, but we're actually gonna go a different direction because we're trying to keep it at least somewhat EPA friendly. So I actually had a turbo I picked out that we're swapping to for it that is green certified and carb certified. So that should be here hopefully sometime this week, and from there we can start swapping things on and making mittens run again. And with that being said, I am selling the Blausch 1.5 XTR, so if anyone is interested in this turbo, they can have it. It could be yours. It does come with an agency power 3-inch inlet, so if you're interested, hit me up by some type of means, either through email, probably not the best, I don't check it very often, on Instagram, could hit me up in a DM on Instagram, or like send over one of those flying pigeons with a note and I might like send one back to you or something. So yeah, this could be yours if you want it. Just let me know. But for now, let's start tearing this thing down and checking it over. See if we got any problems we need to worry about. Because that is the question of the day. So I'm gonna get this set up on a tripod. We're gonna start taking the timing stuff off, check it for crank walk, get all the other accessories off, and then take the heads off, and I think that's a good plan for this video. Let's do it. So, just testing for any crank walk, and not really getting anything out of it, so I think we're good. You'd normally see something moving. So that's good at least. It tells us that potentially this short block is good to either keep as a spare or sell, but we won't know completely until we get the oil pan off and the heads off, so we're gonna keep going with that. Alright guys, a little update. Everything on the engine's coming off really good. It's really hot. It's like another 90, 92 degree day. So even though it's nighttime, it's still like 86 degrees, so I'm out here sweating. Everything on the front side of the engine's coming off good. So haven't ran into any snags yet. I just was informed by Tanner because I was looking for, we have the little like Allen hex ball heads. Make it really easy to take off the oil pan. But he just informed me that the one we had for it is broken. So we don't have that anymore. So I gotta do everything from this point on with this little guy. So back to time lapsing. Question is, how many of these aren't going to come out? I think we're gonna get lucky.
I don't.
I think this will be the first time that I don't have to drill a single one.
I think you're gonna have to drill at least one. I think it's gonna be that one.
Oh boy.
We're going down, so Put the thing in.
There's no pin in there. Where are you at? I literally just rotated this over.
Say, we ain't gonna get.
Cut.
We ain't gonna get very far without that.
Check, please.
What?
I told you, man. I think we're gonna get lucky here.
What the shit?
Fingers crossed. We're gonna get lucky.
I'm gonna get a tattoo this weekend.
Yeah?
I kinda wanna get another tattoo.
What?
I wanna get a hand tattoo.
A hand on your hand?
No, I wanna get another all-seeing eyebrow on my hand. Is that weird?
Are you part of the Illuminati?
I was.
Is there something I don't know?
If I was, I couldn't tell you.
You've been living with me for a long time. We've been friends for a long fucking time for me not to know that information. You got? There was the fucking...
This is what happened with mine.
I'm sliding off the thing because the... Let me readjust. If you're gonna be way up there...
Well, I don't really have a
Maybe
choice
way down
where I
here.
can put it.
Just put your knee under it. Easy, dude. We're gonna be solid. We're gonna be solid.
Here, no, get over here.
Oh, you want to do that one first? That was the one you thought was gonna break.
Wait, you want to wait?
No. Okay, you got it?
Yep.
Oh god, it's gonna do it. Sorry, I can't say the F word anymore. I'm trying to make these child friendly. I can't step right there because
Don't punch me in the face.
Oh, you broke it.
I broke it.
I just like pulled something in my fucking...
You're gonna have to drill that one out.
No.
Here, well, let's come.
Get over there. Get over there. We're gonna get this.
Okay, hang on. Don't go yet. Put attention on it. Get it ready. All right, and ready when you are. What happened? You're gonna have to drill it out, dude.
Hold on. Put the tool back on. I think we did break it.
Yeah, the gear is broken.
Well, f that gear, man. We're not using those. Oh, we didn't break it.
No, you're gonna have to drill this one out, dude. It's always this one because it sees so much heat.
Shh. Fucking.
Grab the jack handles. Grab the jack handles.
These are so stupid. Okay, I am now Negatron.
Just don't hit me or my car.
I don't want to hit myself either.
You're drilling two out.
Oh my god.
It's
Ah!
always the exhaust side. Grab your drill, man.
Ah!
Just start drilling.
Ah! I'm gonna tell you guys right now, if you rebuild an engine and don't put FU cam bolts on, there's something fucking wrong with you.
I thought you said you couldn't use the F word.
I'm done. You know what? I don't care if this is child friendly. If you don't put FU cam bolts on your shit, there's something fucking wrong with you.
Get to drilling.
Ah!
Hey, you know what's funny? I just did this like 3 days ago.
With two?
I only had to do one.
Lucky? Hey, you see what I'm doing right now? Making sure I'm in fucking autofocus. Because I always fuck up and don't do that.
Mic's off. Ah, gotcha.
You're a real fucking asshole. Fuck was I going to say?
Cam gear bolts.
Oh yeah.
They suck.
Those cam gear bolts took, fuck it. Okay, redo. Whoop! Those cam gear, this won't make it to final cut.
Got it?
No, it's fine. I'm just a little tired. Those cam gear bolts really sucked. If you look right here, if I have any metal or anything, just let me know if I'm about to blink and it's gonna go in my eyeball or something. But let me show you the carnage here. Carnage. So
how many drill bits did you break? Just one?
I just broke one. I broke one of the good drill bits.
Dude, I broke 3. I threw away my whole drill bits.
We got a fallen soldier right here. A whole bunch of metal flake and all that. So there, we got him out okay.
Bro, let's become Audi guys.
Audi guys?
Audi guys.
Sick, dude. Sick, dude. Let me be an Audi guy. I just want to reiterate that if you are doing anything with your engine and you're taking your cam gears off and you want to get new cam gears, you should buy the Turn-In Concept FU cam bolts.
Don't buy the Torque Solution knockoffs.
Yeah, don't. Don't buy the Torque Solution stuff. They copy-paste everybody's stuff, and we don't like that. So, buy the Turn-In Concepts, the TIC FU cam bolts, and swap to those. If you're putting one of those on and you don't swap to the TIC FU cam bolts, you must like torturing yourself or something. I don't know. Anyways, let's get back to tearing this thing down more. Let's get the heads off. Back timing covers off, all that jazz. And honestly, okay, well, wait. I'm really giving an update on this point. So, I got everything over here taken off. Oil pumps, actually, this is like one of the first ones we've taken off that doesn't have issues. The whole engine actually looks pretty damn good. This thing is completely, as far as I can tell right now, reusable. Except for the fact that I don't think that washer fell out when I flipped it over. It's something. I dropped a washer in the engine, so we're gonna have to fish that out at some point and find it. But yeah, let's get back to this and get the heads off, and then I think we're probably gonna call it good. All right, so we got both the heads off now. Everything's looking good. Honestly, the only thing we saw on the heads that looked at all questionable is the hot spotting on each of the buckets. And it's only maybe 2 or 3 out of both heads. So it's possible that the tolerances were set a little tight. I didn't see any abnormal like scoring or anything weird going on with the cams or any of that, but everything came apart good. Heads look great, so we can get them cleaned and we'll use them when we do the next engine and port everything, add cams, and make some sauce. As far as the engine looks really good. It's just a little bit of carbon, so we're just trying to clean that up a little bit. Honestly, everything on this engine looks good. So it is reusable. I'm probably gonna sell it, so we'll clean it up a little bit. Just
if
kind of.
anyone's looking for a block, this one's for sale.
Exactly.
Works.
It does work. It works fine. So, and obviously it wasn't the noise or anything we were hearing. I didn't see anything weird as we were taking this apart. So, shut up. I'm gonna clean that up tomorrow and then probably post it up for sale. It's got like 40,000 miles on it, and realistically, it didn't look bad.
We'll sign it and we'll sell it for 5K.
Yeah, we'll totally sign it.
I'm joking.
Whatever. Okay, I'm gonna eat my food that's like totally cold because it's been like 3 hours, and I think we're all done here. So, if you guys liked it, hit that like button. If you didn't like it, whatever, you don't have to like it. But I'm excited. So we'll get started on mittens as soon as we get the parts in for it. And that's about all I got for you. So, word of the day, Tanner.
Word of the day?
Word of the day.
Cantaloupe.
It's gotta be a weird one.
No, how's
We're gonna say...
Kumquat.
Sheboinkin.
Sheboinkin?
Sheboinkin. No? You don't like it? I already slapped the lens, so.
I mean, you can always slap it again.
Fiddle squats. That's what I got for you. So, I'll see you next one.